Picky What's pizza, let's go. For all intents and purposes, it's as good a pizza as you could possibly wish for.
Yo! Before we get into that delicious pizza, and it was delicious pizza, thank you for being here, people. This is another episode. We're doing videos like this every single day, so subscribe if you're not already. And let us know your thoughts down in the comments below. What pizzas have you tasted in London and around the world that are amazing? We would love to go and try those ones too. And this is our book, How to Live Vegan. This is going to be out really, really soon, so do grab yourself a copy. It's the why and the how, so it makes a great Christmas gift for family members or friends or loved ones. And there's loads of tips and tricks as to how to do it for yourself. Right, let's go see Ian at Vegan Nights with Picky What's Pizza.
Hello and welcome to another episode of the BOSH Boys vlog. We're here in East London, and the reason why we're here, Picky What's. They've got a spot in Brixton and they have this residency here. We are looking forward to nyamming down on some wonderful pizza. Let's go and see how good it is. Thank you very much. That looks absolutely delicious. So, I've had Picky What's before. I know exactly how good it is. And this, it's really good because it's really simple. And the ingredients they use are really fresh. The whole pizza is just wonderful. Picky What's, well, they're out and about on the road in their brand new truck, as you've just seen. They're also at the Queen's Head in Brixton.
Hi guys, I'm Cristiano. I'm one of the founders of Picky What's.
Can you tell us a little bit about Picky What's?
Yes, so Picky What's is a concept born as a non-vegan pizzeria focused on alternative bases. So that's why we have all this selection of different bases.
So initially, Picky What's was a non-vegan pizzeria.
Exactly. And Andrea and I, Andrea is my business partner, we were both vegetarians.
So why do you think your pizza is so good?
Well, so many factors. Obviously the bases are so good that obviously they speak themselves. Basically we have 6 alternative bases and a plantain crust, which is the gluten-free. Obviously it's not wheat, because being gluten-free is made with fruit.
So you got wholemeal, plantain, type 2.
Yeah, and also we have the 001, which is the entry level, the cheapest base that we can offer to make veganism accessible to people that cannot afford to pay a couple of extra quid.
So that's the basis. Talk to me about the tomatoes. Why is your tomato sauce so good?
Oh well, that's obviously like we source the best products we can access from UK, but also we create a channel with Italy with our suppliers.
So there's 3 things that make a pizza really good. The base, we've talked about that. The tomatoes, which are coming all the way from Italy and some of the best providers in the whole of the United Kingdom. Finally, cheese.
Yes. So,
go on then, give us a brief lowdown on how good your cheese is.
Oh my god, yes, it's the best. We got the classic mozzarella, we got the blue cheese, we got the classic smoky cheese, and we also do for the stuffed crust. Also we have obviously parmesan, can't miss the parmesan.
You need the parmesan.
Italian man, like that.
Well, all this talk of pizza is getting me very, very hungry. Yeah. I have ordered a very, very simple but extremely effective pizza with the basic base, the basic tomato sauce, the wonderful basic cheese, and then their ultra special basil pesto. Here we go, here he is. Top man, bro, thank you for that one.
You're welcome, guys.
Absolutely delicious. And the pizza is here in front of me. It's got lovely calamari of black olives. It's got wonderful basil in the form of the pesto. It smells absolutely outrageous. And the pizza base, oh man, it's got a nice sponge to it. I'm gonna dig in.
Please do.
Picky What's pizza, let's go. So the cheese is nice and creamy, the pesto is super basily. The base has got a crunch to it, but it's also nice and spongy on the inside, exactly as you want a pizza to be. This, for all intents and purposes, is as good a pizza as you could possibly wish for. Picky What's, you guys have got it going on. Amazing. I'm gonna tuck in now, watch this. Boom. Look. Clean platter, no more pizza left, and the reason why is because I ate the lot and it was absolutely delicious. Dinner sorted, and that was a very good dinner. Now listen guys, If you have enjoyed this vlog, let us know in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do so now because we've got loads more content just like this and our wonderful recipe videos coming your way very, very soon. Guys, always, it's a pleasure chatting to you. It's a pleasure dining with you. We'll see you tomorrow. Bish, bash, bosh.